Hi guys, this is assignment 4.B2, continuing with identifying chords and doublings. So let's start out by putting our name on our assignment. All right, so you want to look at your instructions there. There are several things that we need to do with these chords. We need to look at the Roman numeral and write the correct note names in the blank beneath the staff. The note that is the bass note, we're going to change to blue. And then we're going to check the notation. If there's any note in the chord that doesn't belong, we're going to change that to red. And we're going to notate whether the chord is right or wrong, or if there are any problems or not. All right, so what we're going to do is start here with this example. Here we have a 4 chord in F major. Members that chord are B flat, D, and F. Bass note is B flat, so we turn that red, blue. The C does not belong to the chord, so we turn that red. All right. Let's look here at the next one where we have D major. We got a 1 chord, so we need D, F sharp, and A. F sharp is the bass note, so we're going to turn that blue. D, F sharp. Okay, that's the wrong note, so we need to turn that red. And it says we have to write the correct note in there. To add it, select the red note and hold Shift while you type the letter's name. All right, we could have added an F sharp, but no, we couldn't really add an F sharp because then it would not have had a D in it. All right, so there's how we fix it. All right, looking at C, E minor, we're doing a 6 chord, which should be a C major chord. So we need C, E, and G. All right, the lowest note is C, the bass note, so we turn that blue. Now looking at the notes, we have C, A, E, and C. All right, that should not be an A. So we'll select that, hold Shift, and type G, because that's the note we need. C, E, G instead of an A. So that one's not okay either. All right, for D, we go to C minor. And we're dealing with a 1/6 chord. So a 1 chord should be C, E flat, and G. C, E flat, and G. Bass note is E flat, so we turn that blue. All right, now we check our notes, E flat, C, G, and C. All those notes belong, so we say that chord is okay. Looking at E, we're in B minor, we're doing a 3 chord. So the 3rd scale degree is D. So we start with a D, F sharp, and A. Bass note is F sharp, so we turn that blue. So we have D, F sharp, and A. That's an F sharp, that's an A, that's an F sharp, that's a D. All those belong. So that chord is okay as well. All right, we scroll down here to our next line. We're in A flat major. We're doing a 5 chord. So counting up to the 5th scale degree, we end up with E flat. So we have E flat, G, and B flat. Looking at the notes, we have B flat is the bass note, so we turn that blue. B flat, E flat, G. All of those fit, so this chord is okay. Now we move to A major. We have a 4 chord. All right, 4th scale degree of A major, A, B, C, D. D, so I need a D major chord, F sharp, and A. Looking at the bass note, it's a D, so we select that and turn it blue. All right, let's look at the notes. We have D, F sharp, G, and D. All right, we have an issue there. We need an A. So first thing we need to do is turn that one red. Hold shift, type A. And actually looking at that, we end up with too big of a space between the tenor and the alto. So we probably need to make this an F sharp. And that one an A. I'm just going to do that for now, so that you have the correct spacing. But otherwise, you don't need to do much to that. All right, we're in E major. And we're doing a 6 chord. Should be a C sharp minor chord. So we need C sharp, E, and G sharp. The bass note is C sharp. We turn that blue. Look at our chords: C sharp, B, E, and G. That does not belong, so we're going to turn that red. Hit shift, and we'd probably want another C sharp. Since we already have E and G and we have to double something. All right, let's look at our B flat, a 1 chord. So the notes in the chord, we need our B flat, D, and F. E is the bass note, so we turn that blue. So we have B, D, let's see, D, B flat, F, and D. All of that fits the chord, so that one is okay. Our last one, we're in B major, and we're doing a 6 chord in first inversion. Going up to the 6th scale degree, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp. So we should have a G sharp minor chord, G sharp, E, and D sharp. So B is in it, G, G, and D. Oops, we need to turn that blue. That chord is okay. And that finishes that one up. Let me know if you have questions, and I'll be glad to come around and help you out. Thanks for watching.